Now we are changing the side of the key of the door lock. This screw, first of all, we are open this one screw is open. Now it's open. Then is using for locking the door. This one. Now it's a side change, key sides change. The handle key is sides inside, and the door open and locking system by now procedure is complete. Now the door is open close by outside, key used in inside. Before it's the key side it's outside and the handle it's inside. Now it's put the handle it outside and the key side it's inside. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe my new channel. Thanks for all friends.